Let me get that tail.
Puppy. And they can't even go slide down it.
I'm thinking something even like that.
About 2 more days, you're going to jump right out of the box.
Some of them can already get out of the box.
Right now.
Is that Miss Red? Yeah, that's who was out the other day, red and blue. Doing, little black? Hey, what you doing, little black? I don't think you're quite big enough yet to get out. No. I don't think you're quite big enough yet. Yeah.
Quite mobile.
Oh, yeah.
Time for me to take you out.
Now I can take you on. Come on. Look, he's backing down.
Yeah, I'm running away. He's running away. Get him, Black. Get him, little Black. Yeah, you get him, little Black. Don't take no crap, little Black. Tell him off, little Black. First time I heard her bark.
Who?
Little Black. I'm going with you, Blue. If you're going out, I'm coming with you.
Little Black with you there, Blue. Hey, sweetie girl. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hey, hello, baby. Hello, Miss Black. Oh, hello, sweetheart. Oh, he says, I'm a-coming. Oh, I'm a-coming. Oh, my goodness. Look at you. You're going to make it. He says, I can make it. Oh, no. And then what are you going to do? I'm going to go find Mom, is what she said. I can find my Mom. See? You're determined. Just got to grow a little bit more, she says. Just a little bit more. The biggest one and the littlest one. Seems to be the noisy ones tonight. Oh, who's poking their head out here? That little brown or Miss Orange? Yeah, little brown. hear her.
There she is. Way around the corner.
There she is.
Go. Ahead. Go. Headbutt. Okay, we'll stop right here then.
Little Miss Pink. It's not so easy for them anymore, you know. They're starting to get too big for the paper house.